G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 16, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. Since our last update here on this vertical, the price is consolidated for a number of days and then it's finally overnight spiked to that upside, coming towards this key resistance area. Now what's happening on the CCI, you'll see here the CCI is advancing towards its moving average, but it hasn't broken it yet. The stochastic is making some advancements up through the oversold, moving again further in a bullish momentum. On the 4-hour chart, it's been an upward upswing on the CCI, with the stochastic breaking to the downside over the overbought. So a couple of mixed signals there, but on the hourly, we did have this divergence which was drawn on the CCI versus the price chart. And it did actually break to the downside slightly. Remember, but divergence are not always meaning the price is going to slump. It just means it's going to retrace or go against the current trend, which it did. So it went against the current trend there. But what we're seeing now is a potential support area at that point there. So we're going to move that support line from that point there up to there. And that's our new support. And so we're in a bit of a consolidation area at the moment in terms of where we are with the Bitcoin price. Now, if it does break above this resistance area, and it also shows a break above the moving average on the CCI on a daily, then the chances are it's going to continue rising and in a more bullish momentum, in which case a buy signal may be triggered. At the moment, I would hold off going long until we see this daily CCI break to the upside more confidently. If you're trading the lower time frames, you may want to cautiously trade that according to the 4-hourly and the hourly, but again, just be careful. You want to see that CCI on the hourly break to the upside before taking any long positions, but again, be mindful of these key support resistance areas. So if you are going long, it may well bounce down from that area to the downside again, because we haven't really seen a more convincing break to the upside on the daily yet. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video or links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends if the stock price goes against you. Don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating. And if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing and speak to you in the next video.